8 minutes of dash cam videos of me getting disrespected. There you go. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Good job, man. You know, you could have done that while he was there. You could have gotten in front of him. You could have done anything else, but yeah, it's good too.
I don't think either one of them has to go on Friday.
Probably not. He's making you wait twice, dude.
Yep, that's what you get.
Okay, Garmin. Save video. Come on.
No consideration for anybody whatsoever. Sad.
Okay, Garmin. Save video. Okay, Garmin. Save video. I'm going 7 over. Man is head on. Yeah, that's cool. Oh yeah, don't worry about it. This fan gets respect. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Do it, man. Okay, Garmin. Save video. You're my hero. What a yeah, just pull out
ours
my
aren't
lane.
shaped like that though. Ours don't have smooth sides. They're drop off,
Yeah.
and you know you can't do much with.
Holy cow. Golly. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Save video. That's the second Louisiana car to do that. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Okay, Garmin. Save video. D-Boogie in my lane. Stupid. Okay, Garmin. Save video. I don't think you're okay. Goodness gracious. And then I would stop somewhere. Just ride right on through that light, man. It's cool. That's weed. I don't know if you can see that in the left side of the camera. The car with the one headlight on. They are just smoking weed in the middle of the Love's parking lot and stanking it up. America. Look at this. Look at this. Look, she did that on purpose. So now the other one has to back into the road. So now she's... Okay, Garmin. Save video. Gee whiz.
My word.
Thing in the middle, 2 bikes on the top, a thing on the back with
Yeah, you
stores.
thought you were going to get in front of...
What, they thought they were going to go pop in here?
For sure. Dude.
Hey, hey, look. Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin. Hey, look. Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin, save video. Come on, Merc. Get over, you doofus. Man, that was close. You gonna make me pass you on the right? This stuff is all. Look, yeah, tree. Look at the bark. I wonder if that dude got hit by lightning. Holy cow! Look at these people. Okay, Garmin, save video. Seriously.
People do not understand the things.
Buddy, they're just driving like I could tell they were going to be a problem in the parking lot. Oh, did you? Yeah. Okay, Garmin, save video. I mean, in his defense, he got out of the way, but you know.
Yeah.
You could go now.
Yeah, you could tell that woman at Belk was like dead inside.
Mm-hmm. Oh, strangely enough, now you find the gas pedal. This is gonna be like 5 minutes of me going. For lunch, Daddy. We love you. No, not now. No.
Thank you, Dad.
No. We'll make you work for me.
Thank you, Dad.
No. Good job. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Good job. What an absolute butthole. Did you see that?
Yes.
Baby, they cut us off and then ran the light, made me catch it. Oh, listen.
But I will lie with my fathers,
Y'all know what this is?
and thou shalt carry me out of Egypt, and bury me in
I've
their
got
burying
the.
place.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
I will do as said.
Gosh.
And he said, swear.
How many you got down? 2. Okay, we'll take the sounds off 2 of those.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
How many you got down? 2. Okay, we'll take the sounds off 2 of those.
Okay, Garmin. Save video. What an absolute